The number one question we always get when we sign up for anything or we're going to put our money at is, what do I get out of it? What kind of results can I get? How fast can I implement my business? How fast can I turn around? How fast can I get leads? And that all comes down to you. So a few things is consistency, repetition, but also getting the correct training. With this real estate coaching, we're going to walk you through from traditional marketing to social media, how to close people versus sell people, but also you're going to have a state-of-the-art training center. So your state-of-the-art training center is right here, your virtual training platform. You can go to your notes, you have file vaults with information on, you can go to your calendar and create efficiency, how many courses you've taken, you come back to the bottom, you can see where you ended up at last. And most importantly, this also comes on a digital app that you can download on your phone. So as you start your training and you go through, you can check off information about where you're going to go, how you're going to create efficiency, how you set up your goals, how Facebook works to generate leads, the importance of having a private group, video, YouTube, LinkedIn, social media, all the traditional ways of creating revenue in your business. But the number one thing is to get time back and stop saying, I'm busy, versus saying, hey, I'm efficient and I'm killing my goals. Now, beyond this course that you get, you also get added to a private Facebook group where we will do coaching, where there's members in here that share their ideas, where we're constantly doing training under the events tab, where you have media, where there's content that you can put out there on your social media platform, where there's files that you can download with tons of information here to create efficiency in your business. Coaching has always been go do this, go do that, repetitive. And what happened in the real estate coaching industry is that you're all doing the same thing. That's why Zillow came in your space, Open Door, OfferPad, Redfin, because your coaches told you go get a CRM, email all your people versus staying in touch with them and learning to actually build relationships. So if you're looking to get time back, you want to excel in your business, you want to work less and make more money, this is the training platform for you. No contract, just a 30-day notice of cancellation. It's up to you. What you put in is what you get out. But what we give you is the best virtual training platform you can possibly get in the industry.